Hello, a warm regards to all. I am Dr. Avtar Singh Mavi. We and our associates of Rigth Homeopaty Brasil, Dr. José and Dr. Mara, are going to organize a 3-day workshop from 7 June to 9 June in Ribeirão Preto. We will be discussing about the psychosomatic analysis, where we understand how every disease erupts from a particular psychological event and how understanding of it can help us to reach a correct homeopathic remedy. Then we will be discussing about the dispositional traits and their usefulness in homeopathic prescription. Along with that, we will also discuss about some important points regarding prescribing in cases of autism. How certain points are never to be missed remedy for these children. So after this 3-day workshop, we will have a practical session for 3 days from 10th June to 12th June in Monte Alto in form of Hope for Hopeless Camp, where we will have live cases of such patients who have been deemed as incurable by medical science, although there is no such word when it comes to homeopathy. So, for more details, you can contact Dr. Jose and Dr. Mara. Contact details are provided in the link. So, thank you all and see you soon.